This laptop makes you money while you're using it. Tech Investing Explained. I'm Ilya Trudeau. I'm founder of Illiputer technology company, and we are pioneering the world's first customer ownership business model. What does it mean? Simply saying, if you want to buy a laptop, let's say this, our own product from Illiputer. Let's say you want to pay $1,000 for this laptop. Your money that you're going to pay for Illiputer is completely an investment, and you're going to receive from Illiputer stocks or shares of the company based on your total amount. And beside that, you're going to receive this product as a gift or for free, this laptop. I'm using this laptop for my own projects, like near 2 years. Really, I love this. Is our own made by our own logo, and it's for Illiputer, made by Illiputer. Simply saying, you're going to have this laptop for free, and you're going to have stocks of the company based on your total amount. And as time goes on, let's say after 3 years, 5 years that you're using, let's say this laptop, okay? And after 5 years, you see, the value of the shares of Illiputer is increased up to, let's say, 40 euro. It's just an example, okay? Now you have $40,000 at Illiputer. But let me here explain on this whiteboard what do I mean. Let's say now you want to purchase this laptop and you want to pay 1,000 euro for purchasing this. The money at Illiputer here is completely an investment. It is our innovative business model in order to build wealth for you. Look here, you're going to pay, let's say $1,000, okay? This is investment. What? Investing. This is investing. And the company Illiputer is going to issue you shares. Let's say the value of each share is 1 euro. And based on your $1,000 or 1,000 euro, you are going to receive 1,000 shares. Okay? Let's say you have 1K shares. Okay? And after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years that you are using the laptop for your daily, personal needs or maybe professional needs, and after 5 years, you see the value of each share of Illiputer is 40 euro, maybe 30 euro, maybe 100 euro, maybe 200 euro. We don't know now, but we are going to see that. Let's say it is $40, okay? How much you have? Look, $40 per share. How much money you have here? You have $40,000 as an investment at the company. And within those years, also you're going to receive dividends from the company, from Illiputer, because you are the investor. How you can become investor? Simply by purchasing your own needed computer. That's all. But maybe some of you say, we don't know this brand yet. We used to our own brands. We want to buy, let's say, from Apple, or maybe from Dell, or maybe HP, maybe Lenovo, maybe your own favorite brand. I don't know. Is it possible to do this or no? The answer is yes, because Illiputer is selling. We are manufacturing our own products, plus we are promoting and selling products, computer products from all brands. So it is possible that you choose your own favorite brand at Illiputer, or you can choose our own product. In either case, it is possible to use this service from Illiputer. But maybe you're wondering, where can I now find from other brands at Illiputer? Simply saying, Illiputer has partners worldwide. Let's say you want to buy an Apple and MacBook, let's say from Lenovo, any brand, okay? We have partners, and you can via our own partners, or you can independently find your own laptop and introduce to Illiputer that the shop is here or the company is here, or you can use our own partners that are distributing and selling computers worldwide. So you can choose either via Illiputer partners, or you can find independently and contact Illiputer for this great mission. This is the way you can make money while using your own laptop. Only at Illiputer. Let me know your comments, questions. Check our website illiputer.com for more data. Contact us. Let me know your concerns. Let me know really, do you want to join Illiputer? If yes, please write in the comments. I'm an investor or co-owner of Illiputer. And beside that, if you want to learn more, check out our videos that we have, and it will pop up here or here, the videos. Till the next one.